Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. You may have seen the unboxing video for the Backyard Expressions Hammock kit, and I tested it out. It's really great. It's nice. It comes apart, and it actually comes with a little bag too that they include with it, so that's really cool. Comes with everything that you really need. All the different pieces, you just put it together. Comes with the instructions. The only thing I had one issue was there's one of these little leg things right here that's supposed to go here, but I could not get that to screw in. But otherwise, this thing is really heavy duty, and it came with this as well, the hammock, and this is the color that we chose. Also on this, it was a little confusing at first when you had to hook up the hook. So if you look at the hook right here, so this hook, first I put it on this side, which I was like, yeah, it must go that way, must hook. And then I got on the hammock and I was pretty much sitting on the ground. So that definitely was not correct. So it actually goes on the other side, it faces down, and then this portion comes over the top. If you can see it there, it comes over the top and hooks on. So then the weight presses on it and it pulls up on it, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So let me just show you. I'm just sitting in this real quick. This is a two-person hammock. You can definitely get two people in here. I'm not totally sure what the exact weight is. I'll post it below. But this is really nice. The quality of the hammock is comfortable. There's definitely enough room in here. You can see I can pretty much close it over for a second person. And I don't see those poles behind me bending at all. Really impressed with this. So for around 80 bucks or so, you can pick it up on Amazon, Target, a couple other places that sell the Backyard Expressions hammock kit or set, whatever you want to call it. And it's nice because it comes with everything. And especially I love that little case. So like in the winter months when you're not using it, you can take it apart and just put it back in the case and not worry about it. The pieces were very heavy duty, or are very heavy duty. Metal, nothing that I feel or see is bending. The box that it came in could have used a little better, a little thicker box because it did come out the side of it when they delivered it. Instructions were okay. Probably a video online just showing you real quick. I just glanced at it, just really fast to look at it, how it's going to go together. And for the most part, I just did it by eye. There's only like 5 pieces all together. The biggest part was putting, this the correct way, the rope, to see which way it actually has to go. So that's it right there. The feeling of this, I mean, it's not super soft, but it does have a nice feeling to it. Kind of like those, I don't even know the name of them, like the Aztec or like the Mexican rugs or the blankets almost, that you may see in like some of those type of stores that sell that type of stuff. It's a little bit rougher than what a terry cloth or terry type feel towel would feel like, but it has definitely good thickness, and I'm not worried that I'm going to fall out of it. I'm 160 plus pounds, put another person in here about the same weight, and it should be fine. Again, I'll post what the max weight is on it, because you don't want 6 people sitting on this thing and the thing just bends in half. So I will post that below. But again, if you want to pick something up like this one by Backyard Expressions, I really like it. And finally, I have somewhat of a place to relax. Maybe if it was a little longer, I could actually just completely close it off so nobody can find me. But I'm super excited. My wife's going to be super excited that she can come out here, nice glass of wine, set it up, and just rock back and forth in this for a little while. Hopefully after the kids go to sleep, and I'm sure the kids are going to love it too. So there you go. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon. Stay up to date with everything that I do. And I'm going to relax, and I'll see you soon.